You could say curling is a combination of shuffleboard, billiards and bowling on ice. The playing pieces are large stones. The player aims a large stone at a target while trying to knock the opponent's stones away from the target. Team members sweep brooms in the stone's path to control the speed and manipulate the trajectory. Curling stones are made of granite, but only 2 quarries in the world, in Wales and Scotland, produce the unique type for making them. It's a granite with a fine grain that contains no quartz. This special quartz-free granite has 3 times the impact resistance of regular granite. At the quarry, they try to avoid blasting, because that fractures the stone. Instead, they locate flaws in the rock face and pry chunks off it with an excavator. This one weighs about 20 tons and is the size of a small car. The next step is to divide it into more manageable slabs. The cutter is a thick cable with abrasive rings made from diamond particles. As it travels around large pulleys at high speed against the rock, the diamonds wear through the granite. Avoiding flaws and weak points, they trace circles the size of curling stones on the best quality areas. The cut slab then moves inside the quarry building. This core drill's diamond cutters bore right through the slab, excising a blank that will become a curling stone. The blanks weigh about 26 kilograms apiece. Workers lift them out with an industrial-strength suction cup, transferring them to a container bound for the curling stone factory in Canada. There, a drill bores a channel 16 millimeters wide right through the center. This is for attaching the curling stone's handle. But that's still a long way off. First, this machine has to carve the blank into the shape of a curling stone. The machine's curved arm is lined with diamond cutters. It forms half the stone. Then workers flip the blank over so it can form the other half. The next machine carves out a pocket in the bottom. This will hold an insert made of a special type of granite from Scotland that has an extra fine grain. This high-resistance insert will extend the curling stone's life. After lining the pocket with epoxy, they position the insert. A hydraulic press pushes it in, expelling any trapped air and holding it until it firmly bonds. Next, a grinding machine, following a template, makes a center cup in both the top and the bottom of the stone. Curlers can attach the handle to either cup, according to which surface of the stone they want gliding on the ice. Now workers bolt the stone to a spinning polisher. They buff the surface with 5 progressively finer grades of diamond abrasive pads. Now they blast the side with tiny glass beads. This pits the surface to better distribute impact force, preventing the side from chipping as it strikes other stones. Running the top and bottom over coarse sandpaper gives the stone more traction on ice. The finished curling stone weighs in at about 18 kilograms. The factory molds the stone's handle from durable, impact-resistant plastic. This computer-guided engraving machine can carve any name or logo onto it. It's just a matter of applying paint to the recessed areas to make the lettering or design stand out. Finally, they bolt in the finished handle through the center hole that they drilled earlier. From the quarry, to the factory, to the ice, this beautifully crafted curling stone is on its way to becoming a smashing success.